its pandemic. Breaking connections to the world. Empowering language on humanity. Let's bring the world of learning in one channel. Welcome to Pretest English TV.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to this new episode in Genderbased English TV. I am Sir Larry Bautista, and I will be the one to guide you through this lesson. For this episode, we are going to focus on Module 4, entitled Understanding Literature Through Feminist Approach. For the expectation in this episode, this is your self-instructional learner module in English 10. All the activities provided in this lesson will help you learn and understand literary selection based on the feminist approach. Specifically, you will learn how to critique a literary selection based on the feminist approach. Before we dig deeper with our discussion, let us have first our pretest. For our pretest, please tell whether each of the following statement is true, capital T-R-U-E, or false, capital F-A-L-S-E. First, feminism is a collection of movements aimed at defining, establishing, and defending equal opportunities for women, including gender roles. Second, feminism deals with women only and how they are treated or written in the society. Third, feminism can be used in short stories, novels, or poems. Fourth, gender-based differentiation means that there is the same chance given for both male and female. Fifth, gender identity is the gender the person identifies. For our recap, previously, we learned one of the approaches we can use to better understand literature. Can you tell what literary approach is this? I have a clue for you. We have the letters inside the boxes. These are T, I, R, M, A, X, and S. Can you tell me what is this? Good job! The correct answer is Marxist. Marxist, as we all know, is an approach in literature that focuses on the economic and political elements of art, often emphasizing the ideological content of literature. It often argues that all art is political, either challenging or endorsing the status quo. This approach claims it can illuminate political and economic dimensions of literature other approaches overlook. Now, let's have a game. This game is entitled 4 Picks 1 Word. I'm sure everyone is familiar with this game. Please look at the pictures on your screen, together with the letters inside the boxes. E, F, I, M, M, I, S, and N. Based on the pictures, what word can we form with these letters? That's right, feminism. This episode focuses on this lesson, feminism. But before we dig deeper, let us define first what is feminism. Feminism is a collection of movements aimed at defining, establishing, and defending equal political, economic, and social rights and equal opportunities for women, including gender roles. Just like the illustration below, on your left is a male form. To your right is a female form. Gender role means the set of social and behavioral norms that are considered to be socially correct for individuals of a specific sex in the context of a specific culture, which differ widely between cultures and time. Gender is important in feminism. Gender identity is the gender the person identifies. This time, we have to talk about gender-based differentiation, as this is an issue in feminism. Gender-based differentiation is a situation when one job, attitude, or skill is only known for one gender. For example, it is a normal idea to see jobs like doctor, lawyer, and engineer for male than female. This concept of gender-based differentiation is represented by the image below. To your left, the male form, as defined, strong, professional, and always observed. While to your right is the female form, and as described, they are weak, housewife, and not prioritized. Feminism in literature. Feminism in literature is a school of theory views how our culture is inherently patriarchal. Patriarchal means male-dominated and aims to expose misogyny. Misogyny means prejudice against women. In literature, explicitly and implicitly. Although there are variations in feminist criticism, we have to remember that the following shows what is common amongst these concepts. First, women are oppressed by patriarchy, which means society governed or led by males, economically, politically, socially, and psychologically. Second, while biology determines our sex as the male or female, culture sets the standards of what is to be masculine and feminine. Third, feminism has its ultimate goal to change the world by promoting gender equality. And last, gender issues play a part in every aspect of human production and experience, including that of literature. For the activities for this week, you are going to answer the following. Activity 1. Identify whether the statement is true, capital T R U E, or false, capital F A L S E. Write the correct answer in the space provided before each number. Number 1. Feminism defends equal opportunities for women in the society only. Number 2. Biology determines the gender preference of an individual. Number 3. Patriarchy, as perceived in feminism, is oppressing and limiting women economically, politically, socially, and psychologically. Number 4. Our culture defines what is masculine and feminine. And number 5. Feminism claims that our culture is inherently patriarchal. Included in your activities for this episode are activities 2 and 3 in your module. I hope you will answer all of the activities for this episode. Additional activities for this week's episode. First, read the excerpt Lil Woman by Louisa May Alcott and answer the questions that follow in your module. Next, and also, don't forget to answer the post test. I hope you can comply with all the activities from our module. For valuing, always remember from this episode that feminism has its ultimate goal to change the world by promoting gender equality. How do we promote gender equality? Please cite at least 5 practical samples. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I hope you will still continue to learn despite these pandemic times. Happy learning, everyone! Stay safe, and until the next episode here in Decibest English TV.